Were you always certain that you had this game covered?
Look, till the last ball is bowled, nothing is certain. That's how this game is. And, halfway through the stage, we felt like, it's a reasonable score. We have to really, really bat well to get that score because the nature of the pitch doesn't allow you to just come and, keep playing the way you want to play. But I thought, we were very, very clinical with the bat. Yes, we got the runs at the 48th over, but I thought we were very calm and composed in our chase.
I was going to ask you about that surface. Compared to the other three surfaces you've played on, was this a better surface from a batting point of view?
Yeah, looked better. But look, that's been the nature of the surfaces here. It's very uncertain. The one doesn't tend to play well. The one which we played today played slightly better than the one we played against New Zealand. So the talks that we are having within our group is just about playing good cricket, understanding the situation, and then taking it from there. Not to read too much into what the pitch is doing and stuff like that. There are a lot of experienced guys within the group, so we leave it up to them to make those decisions when they're out in the middle.
It must be such a luxury for you to call on 6 fairly experienced bowlers whenever you want to. Any of those 6.
Yeah, that's something that I really wanted, to have 6 bowling options, and at the same time how I can get batting till number 8 as well. So it was a bit of challenge, but when we were just making up the squad, this is something that we discussed at length, how we can have 6 bowling option and at the same time get that batting depth as well. But yeah, look, credit goes to everyone who were involved in making that team. So yeah, you have 6 bowling options. You can choose from whatever you want, and then depending on the kind of batters who are in, what's the right matchup and stuff like that. So it's a bit of thinking that you have to do when you are out in the middle, and the guys are there to know exactly what is required out of them.
When Kohli is batting like that in a run chase, is there a sense of calm in the change room?
Yeah, look, he's done it for us for so many years. And like I said, we were in the entire, when we were batting, we were very calm. We wanted that big partnership which Shreyas and Virat had, which was really, really good. And then the small partnerships between Akshar and Virat, and then KL and Virat, and then obviously that match-winning partnership. Towards the end, it may not look big runs, but those shots in the end by Hardik was very, very crucial.
Going into a final now, and India have had a fantastic record in ICC tournaments of late.